Hello students, today we are going to start Standard 6th Subject Maths Chapter number 13 Practice Set 32. Let's see question 1 on page number 69. From a wholesaler, Santosh brought 400 eggs for rupees 1500 and spent rupees 300 on transport. 50 eggs fell down and broke. He sold the rest at rupees 5 each. Did he mark a profit or a loss? How much? So that means in this Santosh has brought 400 eggs of how much rupees? 1500. But out of this he has spent in transport rupees 300 and 50 eggs was broken and he sold one egg for rupees 5. So that means we have to check how much profit or a loss he got. So let's find out. So first of all we will take out the total cost price, because as we know cost price of egg and transport. So we will do the plus of this two. So the cost price of egg is 1500 plus transport is 300. So we have done the plus, we get 1800. So that means the total cost price is rupees 1800. So eggs sold for rupees, as you know 400 eggs is there. So out of 400, 30 gets spoiled or broken. So that means 400 minus 30, how much he is having right now? 370. So now let's take out the selling price of 370 eggs. So the selling price of 370 eggs at rupees 5 each. That means one egg is cost rupees 5. So how much will be 370 eggs? So we have done 370 multiply by 5. So we get 1850. So this we get the selling price and this is the cost price. So the selling price is more than the cost price. As you can see students, this is selling price and this is cost price. So selling price is more. So that means profit we will do. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. So as you know selling price is 1850 and cost price is 1800. So we have done the minus, we get 50. So Santosh made a profit of rupees 50. Same way we will solve the second sum. Ibrahim brought goods worth rupees 50,000 and spent 7,000 on transport and order. If he sold goods for rupees 65,000, did he make a profit or a loss of how much? That means Ibrahim brought the goods of rupees 50,000 and in transport he has spent 7,000 and order means in toll naka he spent 7,000 all around total only. So he sold the goods for rupees 65,000. So did he make profit or a loss? Let's see. Total cost price equal to cost price of good plus transport and octroi. 50,000 plus 7,000. So we have done the plus, we get 57,000. So the total cost price is 57,000. Now we get the cost price. Now let's see the selling price which they have already given you 65,000. So the selling price is more than the cost price. So we will do the profit of this. So profit formula is selling price minus cost price. So 65,000 minus 57,000 we get 8,000. So Ibrahim made a profit of rupees 8,000. So now let's see the third question. Ajit Kaur brought a 50 kg sack of sugar for rupees 1,750, but a sugar price fell. She made to sell it at rupees 32 per kg. How much loss did he incur? That means how much loss did he incur? We have to see that she has brought a 50 kg sack of sugar of rupees 1,750 and she sold 1 kg sugar for rupees 32. So let's find how much loss did he get. So the cost price of 50 kg of sugar is rupees 1050, which we have given already. The selling price of 1 kg of sugar is 32 rupees, and the selling price of 50 kg of sugar will be 32 multiplied by 50. That means 1 kg of 32, and we have to check 50 kg will be how much. So we get 1600. So this is the selling price which we get, and this is the cost price. So let's find the loss. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. So cost price is 1750 minus 1600. So we have done the minus, we get 150 rupees. Ajit Kaur incurred a loss of rupees 150. Now let's see the fourth question. Kusum Tai brought 80 cookers at rupees 700 each. Transport cost her rupees 1280. If she want a profit of rupees 18,000, what should be the selling price of per cooker? Now see, in this we have to take out, because here already they have given you the profit 18,000. She want to have 18,000. So one cooker is how much she will sold. So let's find out. The cost price of one cooker is rupees 700, and the cost price of 80 cookers will be 700 multiplied by 80, 56,000. So let's take out the total cost price. Total cost price is equal to cost price, this which we have taken out cost price, and plus transport. So we have done the plus. So we get 57,280. So this we get the cost price. Now she want a profit of rupees 18,000. So she should sell the cooker for rupees 57,280 plus 18,000, because she want 18,000 profit. So let's do the plus, we get 75,280. So the selling price of 80 cooker is 75,280. So the selling price of one cooker will be, let's take out. So 75,280 divided by 80, because we have to see the one cooker is how much. So this 10 and 10 get cancelled. So you can divide this. Here I have divide and show you. So your answer will be 941. So that means one cooker she sold for rupees 941. So Kusum Tai should sell each cooker at rupees 941. So in this way you have to solve fourth one. Now let's see the fifth question. Indrajit brought 100 refrigerator at rupees 12,000 each and spent 5,000 on transport. For how much should he sell each refrigerator in order to make a profit 20,000? So let's see. The cost price of a refrigerator is rupees 12,000, and the cost price of 10 refrigerator is 12,000 multiplied by 10. How much? 1,20,000. So the total cost price, let's take out cost price which we have taken out this, and plus transport. So we have done the plus, we get 1,25,000. So this is, we get the cost price. Now let's find the selling price. The selling price of refrigerator to make a profit of rupees 20,000. So cost price plus profit we will do. So total cost price how much we get? 1,25,000. Here we have written, and plus profit 20,000. So we have done the plus, we get 1,45,000. So the selling price of 10 refrigerator is 1,45,000. So the selling price of one refrigerator we have to take out. So 1,45,000 divided by 10. 10 and 10 get cancelled. How much remain? 14,500. So Indrajit should sell each refrigerator for rupees 14,500. Now let's find the sixth question. Lalita Bai sowed seeds worth rupees 13,700 in her field. She had to spend 5,300 on fertilizer and spraying pesticide and 7,160 on labor. If on selling her produce she earned 35,400, what was her profit or her loss? So we have to find this sum is of profit or a loss. So let's see. Sixth sum. Let's take out the total cost price. So total cost price equal to cost price of seed plus amount spent on fertilizer and pesticide and labor. So I have written this 1, 2 and 3. We have done the plus. So we get 26,160. So the selling price, so we get the total cost price. This is total cost price 26,160. And the selling price will be 34,400. So out of among these two, which one is greater? Selling price. So right here the selling price is more than the total cost price. So this sum will be of profit. So profit formula, selling price minus cost price. So put the values and we have done the minus, we get 9,240. So Lalita Bai got a profit of rupees 9,240. So in this way you have to complete this practice set. Thank you, students.